1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. Hi, welcome to Painting in France. I'm Simon.
And I'm Monica. And this is just a short little introductory video to tell you what we can offer you on our holidays.
Starting with the painting side of things.
I think starting with the painting thing, I mean, why don't you tell people what we do first of all on a typical day?
Typical day, yeah. Well, what happens is I will come and pick you up from your nearby accommodation into the minibus. I'll have all the equipment and materials ready, and we're going to drive off about half an hour, not too far, to a different location every day, ranging from Mediterranean lagoons through to old village squares. There's a windmill, there's a water mill. What else have we got? There's quite a few nice places.
An abbey.
An
old.
Some scenes involving vineyards and distant hills. I think it's going to be a good week.
Yeah, it's a real range of places, isn't it? And then I'm I'm a bit of a person behind the scenes, so I do a lot of the organising and kind of make sure that the days go to plan. And with my background in food, I do quite a lot of the sort of research on sort of restaurant planning, but also I provide some of the meals for the actual days. So when you're out at a slightly more remote location, I will actually bring out a fantastic chic picnic, which you will...
Those are great.
Eat underneath the trees.
Of course, how romantic.
A little bit of shade on a hot sunny day. And you'll also join us in our home, in our courtyard, and share a few meals with us in our home.
I think that sounds great.
I think it's really important, isn't it? Because even though this is a painting holiday, France is so much about the food. So we really think it's an important part of the holiday as well.
I think this is it. I mean, I think the important thing is that you have a kind of rounded, full French experience. So we're not just in the studio. Occasionally it does rain, but we've got a few plan Bs for that situation. There'll be studios, there'll be monastery cloisters. I think there's going to be the main thing is that there's a lot of variety.
There is, isn't it? It really is a week of sort of immersing yourself in the French lifestyle, you know. So it's not just sitting in a studio. You don't just paint around our home. You know, you really get a bit of a tour of the south of France.
Absolutely.
At the same time.
It's, I think I'm going to go on the holiday. Sounds good.
It'd be quite nice going on one of our holidays, wouldn't it?